My watch list of trades for the upcoming week. Hi, Dean Jenkins with FollowMeTrades.com. And this is a tough time to trade. You may have heard that there's a presidential election coming up in a few days. You may have heard that we're in the midst of a global pandemic and a lot of stuff going on here. So I'm being extra cautious, and the market has been difficult to trade, but we can still do it with a disciplined approach here, and there's still some stuff to trade. And in this update, I'm going to actually tell you what I'm looking at, some of the trades that I am watching and considering taking. I'm showing you the S&P 500 chart right now, and you can see back in September we put in an all-time high. It pulled back pretty sharply. It had about a 3-week run up and then pulled back again. Bit of a channel, and it's narrowing. And so we got some big things coming up. Of course, the presidential election is less than 2 weeks away. And for the upcoming week, here's an article from CNBC sums it up perfectly. Hey, there's a big week ahead. We got an earnings deluge. So earnings season is kicked off, and it's really ramping up. So we got a ton of companies reporting earnings. For swing trading, normal trading into earnings is kind of a bad idea. There is a way to trade earnings. We do that on a separate deal, but trading into earnings can just be uncertain. We got GDP data coming out, and of course, the ongoing and apparently stalled talks over the stimulus are still hanging out there. And of course, we've got rising coronavirus infection rates too, and that's weighing on people. Right now, I'm recording this Sunday afternoon. The overnight futures, the Dow futures have opened down about 150 points. That's about almost 0.5%. The S&P is about the same. So if that continues, then this chart I'm showing, the S&P 500 will open Monday morning down, probably down below this 50-day moving average, and that could imply some continued movement down. So I said I was going to talk about the trades that I am watching and I'm interested in. So there's a couple things. And I actually have a watch list. I publish it to my subscribers, and I will show it to you now. So this is a spreadsheet of long candidates and short candidates. So we've been watching GE. It popped a little fast, so we're going to hold and see if there's a pullback. But I'm watching for verification of an uptrend in gold. And the candidates I like are MUX, a miner, PAAS, that's a silver stock, and then the junior miners, GDXJ. These all could be good trades, and if they trigger, I'm going to publish new trades to my subscribers. Going short, we got TXT, that's a good one, Bank of America potentially, American Express, and Dropbox. So these are my candidates. And what I like about these is they have great technical setups, and they are moving to their own pattern, kind of independent of the overall market. And so they're just a little bit clearer, higher probability trades. And so if they meet my final qualifications, I will send out alerts with exact trade details to my subscribers, and I will be taking those trades in my own account. If you're not part of the service and you'd like to see which ones of those alert, sign up for a trial, $37 a month. And money back guarantee. If it's not a good fit, let me know, give your money back. Most people find it to be a good value. All right, so we're in this overall market. We're in this range here. It's decreasing. It will break out. We got the election coming. There's going to be some unique trade opportunities going right into the election. I'm going to publish probably some unusual trades for that. But you just got to watch and be careful. Look for unique trade setups on individual instruments. Trying to trade the indexes right now a little tough. You can day trade it. There's some good movement intraday if that's your thing. But in terms of trading the overall market, I would wait till after the election. But again, individual issues, there are some real opportunities, and we're watching that really, really close. If we do get this open on the S&P, I'll draw a line here for you. You know, we got the overnight futures down. If we do open on the S&P 500 below the 33.94 level, probably going to get some follow through to the downside, but there's always the chance that stimulus talk could come and then you'd go short, you know, and then bam, thing would pop. So a little bit dangerous. So I think I'm going to avoid that. But there's something to watch. There are, again, day trading intraday opportunities, but the picks that I identified earlier are a little bit immune to those things. They got their own trends going on. That's why I'm focused on them. So I hope that's helpful. And once we get past the election, then there should be some clear direction. Lots of analysts have opinions about what will happen if who wins. Probably the biggest risk to the market is if the outcome is unknown for an extended period. That's very highly likely to cause a drawdown for at least a few weeks, a pullback in the market, and that'll be tradable. So I'll give updates on that as we go. So hope that helps. Post your questions, your comments. I'll respond to every single one. All right, thanks.